you can already see I have my brows done. I use the Anastasia Dip Brow, and this is the shade medium brown. And to conceal, I use this Remno London Lasting Finish foundation. I actually use it for concealer because it was just too light for me, and I use this flat shade brush from AOA Studio in the E115. This cut on my nose is probably really noticeable, but ignore it. So yeah, I already did my brows, and now I'm just gonna prime my lids with this foundation. I'm just gonna start calling it concealer now. Okay, so the palette I'm going to be starting off with is this Violet Voss Sugar Crystal, and I'm going to be taking this mint cocoa shade as like basically like a transition kind of. Going in with this Impressed You Beauty Glaze. It is actually supposed to be a dupe of, I believe, the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I got it for my best friend like I think 2 years ago on my birthday, and I still have it. Some colors I have not touched, but we're gonna go in with this green right here and put that into our crease. Y'all know, taking that concealer, and I'm gonna be taking this super tiny little brush. This is a professional concealer brush from elf. It's starting, I don't like it, but I gotta work with what I have. I also have the one that I use to do my brows, but I use that kind of to finish it up. So I'm gonna be taking buttercream, this little sparkly one right here. The lighting is bad where I be filming, so I did change really quick because